There comes a time in life when you're called to care for others and still find the strength to care for yourself. When my mother was diagnosed with dementia, my world changed. My children and I became her caregivers. We laughed, we cried, we fought, but we never gave up. This book is more than a memoir. It's a tribute to ancestors who came before and the strength we draw from their legacy. At the same time, I was battling someone else. Me. I had put my own needs last. But one day, I decided to take my life back. One workout, one healthy meal, one journal entry at a time. This is more than a fitness guide. It's a journey into self-love, discipline, and spiritual reflection. Both journeys, one for her, one for me, taught me something life-changing. We all need healing. We all carry weight, and we all deserve to be seen. Take a Journey with Me is not just a book series, it's a movement, a call to honor your roots and water your growth. Whether you're caring for a parent or learning to care for yourself again, your journey matters. Let's walk this journey together, one page at a time.